Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and welcome to my channel of Stuff and Things. And we're actually going to do it right this time. So, when we last left Rudy just got done embarrassing himself by posting a link and a solution that did not work. This is the actual solution website for that specific set of files, which are DirectX replacement files, is inside here. I'll go ahead and try to put that in the description, and hopefully everything is in there. That way we will avoid this in the future. So anyway, got the picture. The picture go away. This is the site again. We're going to go ahead and launch our game. It will show not working. This part works. This part does not. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill into where the game is actually located. And the thing that I was going to share with you guys is I saw this solution before, and there's various versions of these files. This is the only one that actually worked. So for me, it's Sims Flight 4.37 Falcon, and the instructions kind of showed sticking it right here where the executable is. Well, that's not the case. That's not how it works. This particular game has a bin file, and in it you got the 64 directory, which appeared to be part of my problem. So then I went in and I pulled down my file, which is this guy here. Top of this file you have another RAR file, which is the OC007B RAR. Open that guy up. Doesn't take very long, it's very small. Go ahead and click on it. Take all these guys here, top to bottom. Control Shift, select them all. Move them over. Let them copy. Okay. Now we got that. 4.37. Launch. Voila. This is what should have happened the first time I did this. You got to find the right replacement files. I don't understand, even though DirectX is fine, that this thing is still having issues. It's beyond me, but this seemed to have fixed it. I fixed most of my games. I'm still working on one more that actually still has that in it, and that is the Fly Inside Flight Simulator, which is a VR game. And I can post that if it actually shows up. But together with the other solutions, this should work for you. I've already explained, or maybe I can go over it again. Yeah, I don't think I will. It shows the file that was actually, when you mess with Steam's files, it complained that the integrity was messed up, which is definitely not the case. Follow that procedure in the earlier video, which I can post a link to in here as well. And happy gaming. This has been a long, exhausting month and a half, almost 2 months trying to fix this. I appreciate all the help, and together we did resolve this. If you have any questions or comments, I'll be happy to help you. My channel is all about stuff and things, and let you get back to doing your stuff and things without and go through the research that I had to go through. Until next time, take care.